This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Miso Garlic Minced Pork. This is a very versatile dish that you can use like a meat sauce. I'll show you some of the ways to use it at the end of this video. For this recipe, you will need some minced pork, but you can substitute it with beef or chicken. For the miso sauce, in a bowl, add in 60 grams of miso paste. You can use white or red miso, it doesn't matter here. Add some soy sauce, sugar, sake. This is cooking sake, not the drinking one. Mirin, garlic, some chili flakes to give it that little bit of kick, but this is optional. Black pepper, and some water to help blend everything together. As usual, the amount of ingredients to use is listed in the description below. Mix it together till it forms a smooth sauce. There should not be any visible lumps of miso paste. Next, let's fry the pork. Put your pan over a medium-high heat. When the pan is hot, add in some oil. When the oil is hot, add in your minced pork. Break up your minced pork as you fry it. The pork will turn from pink to white. Then it will start to brown. This should take about 2 minutes. When the pork is starting to brown, pour in your miso sauce. Bring all this to a boil, then lower the heat to a simmer. Now, take this opportunity to deglaze the pan. And you do this by gently scraping off the brown bits at the bottom of the pan while the water is boiling. These little brown bits that are stuck at the bottom of the pan are called fond, and that's flavor. Now, if you have little black bits instead, that's burnt, and that's bitter. Let all this continue to boil till the water has been reduced by half or more. Turn off the heat and taste and adjust for seasoning. Mine needs a little bit more salt here. When it tastes the way you like it to be, we are done. Here are two of my favorite ways to use this versatile sauce. Prepare some dry noodles, any type of noodles, ramen or pasta. Pour the meat sauce over the top. Then, garnish it with some cucumbers and tomatoes. Sprinkle it with white sesame seeds, and you'll get a quick, easy and tasty noodle dish. If you have this meat sauce prepared ahead of time, this noodle dish would probably take you about 3 to 4 minutes to make. The other way I like to use this meat sauce is to pour it over cold silken tofu. Remove the silken tofu from its package, top it with the meat sauce, and garnish with green onions. Another quick and easy dish. This is garlic miso minced pork.